In this video, I'm going to show how to use a MyLab code to purchase a paper copy of a Pearson text. And in recent years, Pearson has started to do away with their paper options, and there are some editions, the newer editions of books, that now no longer are stocking paper editions in the college bookstore. And so the only way that the student can get a paper copy is to use the MyLab code. So first what I wanted to do is get into MyLab. So this is assuming the student has bought a code, which are being sold at the bookstores. So I'm going to go to mymathlab.com. And when I type this in, this is the old web address, and it redirects you to a complicated one, but again, if you just remember MyLab. And so I'm going to sign in using my Pearson account, and again, the student must have previously created this Pearson account. And the students are not going to see so many choices of books, but these are texts that I have. And so this is a course that I have, this Math 1 1133 8th edition course, and I want to go into that course. So for the first time when the student goes in, they will need to use their MyLab code to sign in, and when they enter that code, then they will have access to this screen. So what we're going to do is take them down to this purchase options in the menu. I'm going to click that. And so there are two ways to acquire a paper text. One is to buy a coupon at the bookstore. It says redeem a prepaid print textbook. So now most bookstores, if they sell any access to print, they will sell you a paper coupon, and that coupon is very expensive. It usually comes packaged with a MyLab code, and that MyLab Plus coupon is usually about $200. But the MyLab code by itself is usually less than $200. It's typically somewhere between $60 and $90. So the coupon is costing the student somewhere between $110 and $150. But if they have that coupon from the bookstore, then they can redeem their purchase text there, and it's got a code. And what it will then do is step the student. It says, I don't have access because I didn't purchase that. So what is actually better is for the student to buy a MyLab code alone, which again will cost somewhere between $60 and $90. And now when they go to this buy a loose leaf printed text, they can go to this Pearson Learner store, and now it says here, print offer, $49.99. So this is not $110 or $150. This is only $50. So the advantage of having the student buy a MyLab code alone and then adding on the paper text later is, first of all, it's cheaper than buying the coupon package. But secondly, is if they have that code installed and they're not sure whether they want to buy the paper immediately or whether they want to change their minds and purchase it later, it gives them that option to change their minds. And so this is my preferred method of having students purchase a paper textbook. And when they use this, it will then allow them to have this delivered straight to their home. They don't have to get it from the bookstore, but it will they can put the address in for their home rather than having it shipped through the bookstore.